Hi everyone, I'm John Nirmal, software developer intern contributing to Vägyojaka automatic speech recognition post editor project, which we can refer to as the Vägyojaka ASR post editor. In this session, I will guide you through the process of downloading, installing, and using the tool. But first, let me explain the purpose of Vägyojaka ASR post editor. Okay, what is Vägyojaka post editor and why do we need it? Vägyojaka is an open source post editing and routing tool for automatic speech recognition that aims to reduce the human effort required to correct ASR results. We adopt a dictionary based lookup method to highlight incorrect words in the ASR transcript, provide suggestion by generating the closest valid words. And we have the web portal. It is for generating the transcript, and the offline tool, that is the post editor tool that we will be using. Web portal generates the transcript, and with offline tool we will start editing. Yeah. To curate the speech corpus, we offer a comprehensive set of tags that capture various spoken audio features. In a user study, we found that post editing with our tool takes 1/3 less time than editing without it. The post editor is particularly designed for editing transcript generated by AI models for Indian native languages. It significantly reduces the time spent interacting with media files by providing interactive waveform visualization as well. Okay, let's start with installation process. Using the link, we can download the latest version of the tool. The link will be provided in the group. First, navigate to the link and download the tool from here by clicking here. It will take us to the Google Drive. Click on download. Click on download anyway. Open the downloaded folder and double click on the exe file. It will show this warning in Windows. Please click on more info and click on run anyway. This is just a warning since we not signed with Microsoft. This is in developer mode, so it is safe. Click on run anyway. After the click on next. Please install in this directory only. Don't change the directory to program files or other folders for folder permission. Click on next, click on next, and then click on next. This will take around 220 MB of disk space for installation and other things. It will take a few seconds to install. After that, click on next, click on finish. After installing, we can open the post editor by searching it, or from that shortcut it's as well. Double click on it. Okay, now tool is running successfully. We have installed it. Now we need a demo file. To download the demo file, navigate to the link, same link, and scroll down, and we can see the demo files. Click on the folder link and click on download. Click on download anyway. Open the folder, right click on it and extract all. Click on extract. It is extracted at the download folder. And to open the file, we can start using the tool now. After downloading the demo files, open the tool and click on add icon to open the media or video or audio file. In short, we can say media file. Either we can use add icon or from the player itself. Click on open, navigate to the extracted folder. It is media and transcript for the demo file. In the demo file we have the video files. Here it won't show anything by default, it will be showing audio files. To show the video files, common video files, we can click on this, or we can click on all files. Click on open. It will open the media file, and to open the corresponding transcript, click on this folder icon, or we can use editor and click on it. Same way we have to navigate to the downloaded and extracted folder and click on video, and this will contain this XML file. After that, we can see that the corresponding file is loaded. Now if I try to play this media file,
Okay.
we can see that whatever the spoken word is, it is highlighting the current time. If I want to change the timing of the video to here, like I can click on Control plus click, it will move the audio here. To play the media file, we can use Control plus space as a shortcut, and there are multiple shortcuts we can use. Please familiar with this shortcut. We will be using a lot to reduce the usage, like instead of using a mouse click, or we can use shortcut keys. It will reduce the time. Now okay, the feature is, we can see that for example, if we edit the word original, we can see the suggestion shown here, as well as since it's edited by ourselves, not the AI model, it will be highlighted in yellow color. But we can see that this is showing in red underline. That means dictionary can find that word, which is the name British. In case we want to mark it as a correct word, we can click on this and click on mark as correct, and from next time this word British will be automatically fetched from the custom dictionary that is added by ourselves, which is persistent. And another feature is split line. We will be using this a lot. By we can use Control plus semicolon shortcut For example, I want to
frames.
split this line. If I want to split this line, I have to click on this and click Ctrl plus semicolon. This will be splitted and the time will be taken from the media file and it will be added to at the end. And another feature is merge up and merge down. Since we have splitted this, we can merge this by clicking Alt plus down key, down arrow. This will merge the current line with down line. In case we want to merge up, we can use Control plus Alt plus up arrow. This will be merged upwards. And we have the another feature, toggle word editor. After toggling, we can individually edit the time of each words by scrolling and editing here. And if we want to edit this, we can click on this and it will be automatically dynamically changed. And another feature is auto save feature, which is like every 20 seconds it will be saving automatically. And another feature is edit text. If we notice anything is like the audio is noisy, we can mark this. For example, if I find this as a noisy, I can click open the edit tags and mark it as a noisy. If it's in different language, we can choose this as well and change the language as well. There are multiple features and we can mark this as well. After marking, this will be marked in tags and will be shown in light blue color. We can add the custom dictionary as well, and we have multiple features, but currently we will be utilizing this much of features only. There are another features called split media, where after loading the media file and the transcript file, based on the timestamps we have, we can cut the timestamps and the splitted media will be saved at the installation folder and splitted media folder. Hide the timestamps, we can click on this. To show the timestamps, we can click on this as well. It will be showing the timestamps at the end. And we have the Git as well. For the Git folder is at the installation folder. We can navigate there by opening the installation folder. Here we can see the Vagyojaka Git. Here it will be initialized with the Git. We can push, pull and add remote and commit as well. There are multiple features such as waveform, but we will not be using right now. Another feature is translation folder, where we can use it for multiple language transcript, where we can load the multiple transcripts and edit in real time. And we can use font size as well, and using custom fonts as well. We can use custom fonts and zoom in or zoom out. For now we're gonna be using this much of features. We have lot of features. Please feel free to check it out, and if finds any bugs or any internal issues, please ping me at a WhatsApp group, and I will be giving solution for that. And if anyone using a Linux, please ping me, I will install it in Linux as well. And if anyone having a Mac as well, please contact me, I will compile it in Mac as well as in Linux and provide the support for both. If anyone finds a bug for like bug or any suggestion as like feedback, uh, it can be like sent on the group or ping me. Thank you.